Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make churros. This recipe is very easy and simple to make. So let's get started. For the dough, we need 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the butter has completely melted and the mixture is boiling, add the flour all at once. Continue to mix the dough with a wooden spoon until it forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the pot. Okay? Remove the pot from the heat. Let it cool down a little bit before adding the egg. Please like this video and comment below to let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Add the egg and mix it in with a wooden spoon until the dough is smooth and glossy. If the dough is too sticky, add a little bit more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. Once you have even pieces, wrap them up in plastic wrap and let them rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. For the oil for frying, we need 2 cups of vegetable oil for the sugar coating. Okay? Add the oil to the pot and heat it over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the churros one by one. Do not overcrowd the pot. If you do, the oil temperature will drop and your churros will be soggy. Fry them in batches if you need to. Fry the churros for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the churros from the oil and drain them on paper towels. 1 and 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And for the chocolate sauce, we need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Serve the churros immediately while they are hot and crispy. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Gradually whisk in the milk until the sugar has mostly dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Pour the chocolate sauce on top of the churros and enjoy. 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of milk. In a medium-sized pot, add the water, salt, cinnamon, and butter. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. While the dough is resting, add the vegetable oil to a large pot or Dutch oven. While the churros are still warm, toss them in the cinnamon sugar until they are coated. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top. Next, let me show you how to make the chocolate sauce. Thank you so much for watching.